Power. It's what keeps our world moving forward. From industrials to healthcare, mining, military operations, real estate, and utilities, even our entertainment. As economies grow, so does the world's demand for power generation. In the Southeast U.S., a region booming with strong population growth, TAW is the preferred partner to provide integrated power solutions to power-dependent end markets. So, if it spins, turns, or rotates, chances are TAW can repair it, rewind it, or rebuild it better than anyone else. With 100 years in the industry, TAW is a fourth-generation, family-owned, diversified industrial company that has been built on a thesis of integrated power solutions. The company's breadth of product and service capabilities across its 4 divisions is unmatched in the industry and serves as a differentiator as customers look to outsource more work to fewer partners they can trust to provide the highest quality solutions for their mission-critical needs. Unlike peers who typically specialize in one solution, TAW provides it all, from the systems needed to power our customers' operations to customized engineering and manufacturing, technical field services and repair, and strategically located maintenance service centers. Regardless of the division or end market served, TAW is recognized for its best-in-class technical capabilities and engineering talent, wide range of services, and its industry-leading reputation for safety and quality. TAW is the only company with full distribution rights for Kohler Power Systems products in the state of Florida, allowing it to provide sales, parts, and services for backup generator systems from 6 kilowatts to 4 megawatts. Services include installation, rigging, authorized warranty repair, rental, and preventative maintenance services for all brands of generator systems. With decades of experience and product knowledge and an entrenched customer base, TAW Power Systems provides a superior level of service that few, if any, competitors can come close to. TAW operates a network of 5 strategically located service centers throughout Florida, with teams of on-site technicians with the expertise to repair all motors, pumps, and other rotating apparatus, from specialty fractional motors to large and complex 50,000 horsepower motors. TAW service centers specialize in reconditioning, rewinding, and rebuilding services for a wide variety of products, as well as providing new motor and pump equipment sales. Ultimately, TAW service centers reduce downtime on customers' most critical operations. TAW's Technical Field Services division provides preventative maintenance, testing, and repair of critical parts of power equipment, including transformers, breakers, relays, switchgear, motors, turbine generators, and variable frequency drives. TFS capabilities include arc flash analysis, infrared scanning for thermal hotspots, load calculations, insulation resistance, vibration analysis, balancing, and alignments, among others, to prevent downtime and extend useful life. The breadth of TAW's platform, capabilities, and customer relationships provides a captive revenue base for technical field services. TAW's Custom Equipment division offers customized fabrication solutions, differentiated by integration of electrical components, including switchgear, transformers, control panels, and mobile electric power plants, among other products, to industries that require durable and reliable power generation. The Custom Equipment state-of-the-art engineering and manufacturing center is ISO 9000 certified. The company's facility features modern metal fabricating and powder coat paint capabilities, large assembly and structural welding areas, substantial air-conditioned controls, and an automation assembly center. TAW operates 11 locations, allowing it to serve the Southeast U.S. and an international customer base. TAW is a proven partner for national and international customers. These relationships offer long-term revenue visibility and tremendous runway for future growth. With blue-chip customers like ABB, AB InBev, Disney, Duke Energy, Florida Power and Light, General Electric, HCA Healthcare, International Paper, L3 Harris, Mosaic, Raytheon, Universal Studios, Vertiv, and the U.S. government, to name a few, TAW is in an enviable position to grow its market share across all divisions. Several key factors have led to TAW's growth and continued success. Robust demand across electrical power-dependent end markets, driven by aging infrastructure and increased spending on power transmission and distribution. Customers' increasing focus on reliability. A sizable shift towards outsourcing, and rapid population growth in the Southeast United States. None of this would be possible without the right people. Led by a proven management team, TAW delivers quality, reliability, engineering expertise, and world-class customer service. TAW is one of the last independent market participants of size and is well-positioned to capitalize on favorable industry trends, as well as company-specific growth initiatives. The world's need for power, often in the most challenging environments, will continue to grow. As we celebrate 100 years, TAW will be here, looking towards tomorrow with our sights set on growth.